Most people found accounting confusing. Numbers, reports, debit, credit. It feels overwhelming. For business owners, this confusion costs real money. Maybe you have a business but do not know how to read your own financial statements. Maybe you are studying accounting and the textbooks just not clicking. Maybe you want to build a strong financial foundation but do not know where to start. That is exactly what this channel is for. Welcome to Debit Decoded. We take accounting, the real stuff, and break it down simply. No jargons, no confusion, just clear explanation with real examples. On this channel, you will find videos on bookkeeping basics, how to read financial statements, balance sheets, income statements, cash flow explained, financial ratios that tells you how healthy a business really is. Every single video is practical and every concept is explained from scratch. If you are serious about understanding accounting and business finance, this is your channel. New videos drop every week. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and let's start decoding the numbers together.